Hello, thank you for watching Montessori lesson channel. In today's video, I will be introducing the pink picture box activity from the language section. There will be a link in the description part for those that would like to purchase a PDF copy of the pink picture box activity. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and bell icon to be notified when a new video comes up. The purpose of this activity is to teach the child how to read the three-letter phonetic words made up of separate and blending sounds together. The steps for the activity are: have the child choose one of the boxes that has the picture and label cards such as the short vowel O sound and take it to the work area. Put the box on top left corner of the work area and take the lid off, putting it faced up. Have the child pronounce the letter sound on the lid. Take out each picture cards out of the box one at a time and naming it and placing it in a row on the work area. Next, take out the label cards from the box and place it in a stack in front of the child. Then hand out the top label card from the stack to the child to read it. Have the child sound out the word. Example would be pot. Have the child sound out the word faster and faster until they can combine the sounds together to create the word pot. The child can also take a look at the picture cards on the work area to relate the word to the picture. Have the child choose the picture card that matches the words they read and put the label cards and picture cards beside each other at the top of the work area. Get the child to match the remaining label cards and picture cards using the previous steps. When all the words and pictures cards are matched, have the child point to each label card from the top and read out each word once more. This will teach the child to read out each word as a whole. Put the picture cards in a row at the bottom of the work area and place the label cards back in random stack. Have the child repeat the activity next. On a different day, repeat the activity for a different short vowel sound and mixed vowel sounds depending on how much the child needs practice with it. Have the child place the material back on the shelf when they are finished working with it. The pink picture box can be purchased at IFIT Montessori in the link in the description part in Canadian dollars and US dollars. This ends my video for today. Thank you for watching.